Ever wondered why a stop sign is always an octagon? Or why those hazard labels on trucks and chemical containers are shaped like diamonds? There's a fascinating story behind the shapes you see on the road, and how they ended up warning us about much more than just traffic. Let's rewind to the early 1900s. Back then, road signs were chaos. Some had text, some had symbols, but there was no real system. If you were driving across states or countries, you basically needed a crash course in every region's signs just to get by. That all started to change in the 1920s, when the American Association of State Highway Officials teamed up with the Automobile Club of California and others. Their idea? Make road signs instantly recognizable, even if you couldn't read the text even at night or when the sign was faded. The answer was simple. Shape equals importance. The octagon, with its 8 sides, became the universal stop sign. Why? Because it's unique. Even if you can't see the color, you know what it means by the shape alone. Triangles, pointing down yield warning circles? Those meant railroad crossings. Think train wheels. Rectangles and squares, speed limits directions. But it's the diamond shape, basically a tilted square, that's the real star of the show. Diamonds were chosen for general warnings. They're easy to spot and simple to make. That diamond shape became the international symbol for watch out, hazard ahead. Fast forward to the mid-20th century. Now we're talking about hazardous materials, chemicals, gases, things you'd really want to know about before getting too close. Regulators needed a system that worked not just on highways but globally. So, what did they do? They borrowed the diamond. The diamond shape, already linked to warnings, became the go-to for hazmat labels. Red for flammable, yellow for oxidizers, green for non-flammable gas. You'll also see numbers 1 through 9 marking the hazard class. Flame skulls, gas cylinders. The diamond's orientation, set on its point, makes sure nobody confuses it with a boring old shipping label. There's even another diamond system you might see in workplaces, the NFPA fire diamond. Red for flammability, blue for health, yellow for reactivity, white for special hazards. Each section is rated from 0 to 4, so you know what you're dealing with at a glance. So next time you spot a diamond-shaped sign on the road on a chemical drum, you'll know that shape is more than just a design choice. It's a shortcut for safety, built on a century of clever thinking.